Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix billing address is invalid. So guys, when you try to do any purchase with your Apple Pay and you will see this type of error that billing address invalid, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys after this you need to open your iCloud account, and guys now you need to click on media and purchases and click on view account, and now you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys after this, here is the option of country and region. Click on it and you need to wait. So guys, as you will see here, you have to wait for more seconds, and here is the option of change country or region. And guys from here you need to select your own country. So for example, I am going to select this one. You can select anyone as you want, and after this you need to click on agree with terms and conditions of Apple Media. And guys here you need to add your debit or credit card, or if you have PayPal you will see here PayPal if you are lives in USA. And guys after adding your payment method, here is the option of billing address. So guys here you need to enter your own billing address, correct billing address. If you have entered wrong billing address in your payment information, then you will see that kind of error. So simply here you need to enter your correct billing address, city, postal code and phone number, and you have to save this information. And guys after saving this information, then guys you need to do again your purchase, and after this you can easily purchase your anything, game, app or anything with your Apple Pay. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.